Depositing money on Monese is a straightforward process that can be done through various methods. Follow these steps to successfully add funds to your Monese account. Step 1. Open the Monese app. Launch the Monese app on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Add Money section. Once logged in, look for the Add Money or Deposit option in the main menu. This will direct you to the different deposit methods available. Step 3. Choose your deposit method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Depending on the method you choose, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. For bank transfers, you will need to enter your bank details, while card deposits will require card information. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Review the details of your deposit and confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification once the funds are successfully added to your Monese account. By following these steps, you can easily deposit money into your Monese account. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section within the app or contact customer support for assistance.